Hello students, I Soham Chaudhary, Lecture Civil Department, Pravin Patel College of Diploma Engineering and Technology. Will continue with the subject Theory of Structures. In that, I will continue with the topic Direct and Bending Stresses Part 5. The problem is a tall chimney, hollow square in cross section is 2.2 meter, 2 multiplied by 2 meter externally and 0.5 meter thickness of the wall. सो आपको साइज़ दे दिया है उस स्क्वायर का, एक्सटर्नल आपको दिया है 2 मीटर्स मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 2 मीटर्स और आपको थिकनेस दे दिया है 0.5 मीटर्स का. सो आपका जो स्मॉलर स्क्वायर होगा या अंदर वाला जो सेक्शन होगा इट विल बी 1 मीटर मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 1 मीटर. इट इज़ सब्जेक्टेड टू हॉरिजॉन्टल विंड प्रेशर ऑफ 1.25 किलो न्यूटन पर मीटर स्क्वायर. द यूनिट वेट ऑफ द मशीनरी इज 20 किलो न्यूटन पर मीटर क्यूब. कैलकुलेट मैक्सिमम हाइट ऑफ द चिमनी फॉर नो टेंशन एनीवेयर इन द बेस. अगेन इसमें आपको नो टेंशन कंडीशन यूज़ करना है क्योंकि इसमें बोला है कि हमको हाइट कैलकुलेट करना है बट उतना हाइट होना चाहिए जैसे कि सेक्शन में कोई टेंशन नहीं आए बेस पे. सो अभी सबसे पहले जो डेटा गिवन है वो हम नोट डाउन कर लेंगे. तो आपको विड्थ, एक्सटर्नल विड्थ दिया हुआ है 2 मीटर्स, थिकनेस 0.5 मीटर्स दिया हुआ है. तो इनर विड्थ कितना हो जाएगा b माइनस 2t, that is 2 minus 2 into 0.5 which is 1 meter. तो विंड प्रेशर 1.25 है तो 1.25 इंटू 10⁻³ हो जाएगा. डेंसिटी 20 किलो न्यूटन दिया है तो 20 इंटू 10⁻³ न्यूटन पर मीटर क्यूब हो जाएगा. नेक्स्ट आई विल कंसिडर दैट लेट h बी द हाइट ऑफ द चिमनी इन मीटर्स. ठीक है. नाउ सेक्शनल एरिया, आई नो द एरिया ऑफ स्क्वायर इज साइड स्क्वायर. So if I am having a hollow square, this becomes capital B square minus small b square, which is 3 meter square. Again I need to calculate weight of the machinery, that is W is equal to A multiplied by H multiplied by the density. So now sigma naught is W by A. So A into H into density upon A, so A gets cancelled, this is equal to H multiplied by rho. So now you don't know what is the value of H. So over here direct stress will be in terms of H. This becomes 20 into 10⁻³ H. Now next is section modulus about y-axis. So for hollow rectangle or hollow square, the formula remains same. Now this becomes 1 by 12 b4 minus small b4 divided by b by 2. So this becomes 1 by 6 capital B4 minus small b4 divided by b. So after substituting the values you will get Z as 1.25 meter cube. So now for bending stress I have M by Z. So this is P into H by 2 divided by Z. P is nothing but the total wind load, that is C into P into projected area, but as C is not given in the question, the value of C is 1. The pressure, it is 1.25 into 10⁻³. You don't know the value of H, so now this becomes H square divided by 2 and the value of Z is 1.25 meter cube. So from this you get bending stress again in the form of H, or I can say again in the terms of H. So bending stress is equal to 1000 H square. Now for no tension condition, I know the condition that is direct stress is equal to bending stress. So I have a formula of direct stress as 20 into 10⁻³ H and bending stress is 1000 H square. So after solving this, I get H is equal to 20 meters. So I can say the maximum height of the chimney for no tension anywhere at the base will be 20 meters. If you go beyond 20 meters, if you increase the height of the chimney beyond 20 meters, it is possible that the tension can be developed at the base. So the maximum height can be 20 meters only. So students, if you have any doubt in this particular sum or in this particular topic, you can write me at prpsohamce@gmail.com. Thank you so much.